How to fix bad system config info blue error on Windows. 1. Perform system restore in Windows Safe Mode. 2. Restart your computer. 3. Roll back Windows Update. Plan B, clean boot your Windows then, uninstall applications and updates. 4. Check your RAM and hard drive. 5. Update or reinstall drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Run the following commands in Windows Safe Mode. Commands include, edit/delete value default numproc edit/delete value default truncate memory 7. Fix BCD file via the command prompt section in Windows Safe Mode. Commands include, bootrex/repair, bootrex/oshkin, bootrex/repair. Note, this option will require a bootable USB flash drive with Windows or an installation DVD. 8. Fix registry editor in the command. Prompt section in Windows Safe Mode. Commands include, cd:/Windows/system32/config ren/c:/Windows/system32/config/default/default.old ren/c:/Windows/system32/config/sam/old ren/c:/Win. In the command prompt section in Windows Safe Mode. Commands include, dird\win *cdd:/Windows system32/config copy c:/regback/cd regback dir copy/y software. Copy/y system. Copy/y sam. 12. Fix boot configuration data, BCD, in the command prompt section in Windows Safe Mode. Commands include, bootrex/repair, bootrex/oshkin, bootrex/repair. 13. Check your PC hardware.